people are already in life even before the calling. Ganyan nga po, naniniwala ako na ito'y hindi isang aksidente. I was asked and tasked to preach to you tonight to be a blessing and a challenge. But even before that, I am blessed and challenged having been here. It's our mission and vision that our church would have someday a Christian school. And I talked to a lot of pastors who are operating Christian schools, and right now, I had a session with Pastor Arnel, and I do believe he is one of those people that God has in line for us. So, ako po ay isang pastor. Probably, ako po ang pinakabatang pastor sa ating kalagitnaan ngayon. Yan ay sa edad. Okay. Tama yan, sa edad ko rin. Okay. Ako naman ay 25 years old. Tandaan mo yan, ha? Okay. And because he made that comment, tingnan ko kung makauwi kayo naman. I am 25 years of age. Thank you very much. You're going home earlier. Ganyan lang yung pakutan namin. Kasi po, ako po ay, ilan taon na pa ako ngayon? 24 years na po ako sa ministry. Pero ako po ay tatatlong taon pa lamang nagpapasto sa Metro Laguna Baptist Church. We will be celebrating our third anniversary comes October. Pero I pastor a 20-year-old church for more than a year. No? When I came to that church, a 20-year-old church, the frontliners, when I say the frontliners, Sunday school teachers, ushers, volunteer workers, they were about 40 plus frontliners. That church is averaging about 30,000 pesos a week in office.